are going to love the 2017 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, tachometer, day and night rear view mirror, remote keyless entry, overhead console, outside temperature gauge, panic alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.